All of the helpers that we've been accustomed to using inside of views in ASP.NET MVC are available in Razor as well. This includes the URL helpers, the AJAX helpers, and of course the HTML helpers that can do everything from produce a drop-down list to a form tag. We have access to those helpers through the properties that I just highlighted in the base classes that we inherit from. And we also have some new helpers available. So let me demonstrate those. Inside of our view, we are not yet displaying the description associated with an instructor. So let's rectify that situation by displaying instructor.html description. I'll do that and refresh the view, and it's not quite the output that I expect. Remember that string contains some HTML, and Razor HTML encodes by default. That means we're not actually placing this markup into the DOM for the browser to use. We're displaying it as text. The way to fix that would be to use an HTML helper called html.raw. So the way I can access a helper, again, just use the @ sign. So I can say @HTML. And you can see there's all the helpers that I've become accustomed to over the years. Action link, anti-forgery token, create a checkbox, create a drop-down list. I want the raw helper, which simply means take this string and don't encode it. Turn it into an object that implements the magic iHTML string interface that generally tells these template engines to not HTML encode it. So once we use html.raw and refresh, now we're actually getting markup output.